How to recover your Snapstreaks. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guide, and in today's video we will learn how we can recover our Snapstreaks. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to recover our Snapstreaks, what we will do is, let's say you had a Snapstreak with your friend, but then all of a sudden you just lost it. Well, in that case, what you need to do is to, after you launch the Snapchat app, tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen, and then over here you have to tap on the gear icon from the top right. Now scroll down a little bit to the bottom until you get to the help section and look for the option called I need help. Once you tap on the I need help section, in the search box you just want to search for Snapstreaks and you'll see all of these results. Now it says I've lost my Snapstreak. So here you'll find all this option. If you lost a Snapstreak, just please let us know. So you have to tap on the little blue button that says please let us know. Once you tap on the blue button, over here you have to choose the option called I've lost my Snapstreak. Once you choose the I've lost my Snapstreak option, at the bottom you'll be able to see a list of various options, but you have to scroll to this form over here and you have to fill in this form. So you have to enter the email address and the username of your Snapchat account on which you lost a Snapstreak, and then here you have to include your mobile number, the device on which you were using Snapchat, your friend's name depending upon whose friend you lost your Snapstreak with, and then you can only submit one friend per submission. And when did you start having the issue? These all are compulsory. And how long was the Snapstreak before it expired? The closest you are to your Snapstreak number, the more higher chances are of you recovering your Snapstreaks. And then just enter the last number you remember, and then did you see this icon? So you just need to select an option, and then description as to how you went ahead and then lost your Snapstreaks without no reason. And once you do so, just tap on the send button from the bottom. That's all it takes to recover your Snapstreaks. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.